Hello. So this is the licensure examination for professional teachers review specialization in English, particularly linguistics and phonology. Okay, let's start off. Which of the following involves metathesis? A. Liquid, liquefy. B. Introduce, introduce. C. Super, supreme. D. Remember, remembrance. The answer is B. Introduce, introduce. In metathesis, two sounds exchange places. This is not common in standard English, but is common in everyday conversation among native speakers. In which of the following will the ed be pronounced as t? A. Mash. B. Great. C. Move. D. Bathe. The answer is A. Mash. Here, the ed will be pronounced as t or mashed because the sh is voiceless, just as t is also voiceless. Number 3. In which of the following will the nasal attached at the start of the word be pronounced as as part of a prefix meaning not? A. Complete. B. Justice. C. Passable. D. Distinct. The answer is C. Passable. The prefix meaning not is impassable, because p is also bilabial, just as is bilabial. So the prefix will be pronounced as im. Number 4. In which of the following will there be epenthesis? A. Adding ing to remember. B. Adding im to possible. C. Adding phi to liquid. D. Adding ity to able. The answer is D. Adding ity to able. Epenthesis in phonology means adding a sound. Here, the sound I will be inserted between b and l. So when we add ity to able, it becomes ability. Number 5. In which of the following will there be elision? A. Adding ity to able. B. Adding ing to remember. C. Adding im to possible. And D. Adding phi to liquid. The answer is D. Adding phi to liquid. Elision in phonology means removing a sound. The d in the word liquid will be removed or elided for better pronunciation. 6. In which of the following can there be non-rhotic pronunciation? A. Irreplaceable. B. Remembering. C. Bored. D. Private. The answer is C. Bored, because here the r is in the coda of the syllable. So we can say bored. 7. In which of the following can there be dissimilation for er? A. Particularly. B. Remembering. C. Revolver. D. Pair. The answer is particularly or particularly. Dissimilation can happen when there are two R's in a word and one R is in the coda. Here, the first R is in the coda, so it could be removed. Particularly can become particularly. Number 8. In which of the following will the ed be pronounced as id? A. Cool. B. Wish. C. Bored. D. Bathe. The answer is C. Bored. The I is added in order to differentiate the two Ds. Boarded. Number 9. In which of the following will the plural s or s be pronounced as z when added to the word? A. Mash. B. Glass. C. Cat. D. Bathe. The answer is D. Bathe, because the z here is pronounced as a hard th and therefore voiced. The plural s will also be voiced and pronounced as z. Number 10, which of the following is not a minimal pair? A. Lying and laying. B. Bleed and bled. C. Laugh and left. D. Heel and eel. So the answer is C. Laugh and left is not a minimal pair. All the others are minimal pairs. Lying and laying, they differ only in the a and the eh. So they are minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are exactly the same except in just one position. So for letter B, bleed and bled, they're exactly the same except for the E and the E. And then for letter D, heel and eel, they're exactly the same except for the and the for eel. You have h for for heel, and you have for eel. So they are minimal pairs. But in letter C, you have a difference between laugh and left. You have the and the eh, and also there's a t in left. So there are more than one difference. So laugh and left are not minimal pairs. Number 11, which of the following are minimal pairs? A. Feel and full. B. Meet and meet. C. Human and inhuman. D. Smile and smile. So the answer is feel and full are minimal pairs. Letter B, meet and meet, they're exactly the same. They are what we call homophones. Human and inhuman, they're different. They are antonyms, and they differ in more than one place. Then you also have smile and smile. Yes, they differ in only one place, but smile is not a word. So for a minimal pair, you need two words, two real words. So the answer is A, feel and full, which differ only in the E and the O in one place. Number 12, where do diphthongs go in a syllable? A, onset. B, rhyme. C, end. D, coda. So the answer is B, rhyme. The rhyme is the core of a syllable. Vowels and diphthongs are located there. Number 13. Which of the following does not have a coda? A, ran. B, work. C, tie. D, bed. The answer is C, tie. The coda is the group of consonants after the rhyme composed of the vowels. Okay, so the word tie does not have a coda. It has only the onset and rhyme. Which of the following is not part of the onset in the word borderline? A, B, b. C, D, l. The answer is r. So here, the r is part of the coda. The coda is composed of consonants after the vowel or diphthong. So in borderline, the r is part of the coda. It's not part of the onset. 15. What is the basic principle of phonology? A. Articulators work together to produce phones. B. The pronunciation of phones affect the way other phones are pronounced. C. Language is composed of form, meaning, and use. D. The meaning of an utterance is different across cultures. The answer is B. The pronunciation of phones affect the way other phones are pronounced. This is the whole idea of phonology. When we produce or pronounce sounds, they affect how other sounds are produced. Like when the s is pronounced as s, is, z, or even is when it comes to plurals. That's all that we have. Thank you very much. We have other videos for the review. Please try to see them. Thank you very much. I hope this helps a lot.